welcome to my news channel INDP.
Fourier Intelligence Robotics has unveiled its groundbreaking GR2 humanoid robot, marking a significant leap forward in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. The GR2 stands out as a versatile and sophisticated creation, designed to replicate human-like movements and interactions with unprecedented precision and adaptability. One of the most impressive features of the GR2 is its advanced motion control system. This system allows the robot to perform tasks that require fine motor skills and coordinated movements, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Whether assisting in healthcare, aiding the elderly, or serving in customer service roles, the GR2's capabilities demonstrate the potential to transform industries. The humanoid robot is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms, enabling it to process and respond to complex instructions in real time. With its ability to recognize and interpret human speech and gestures, the GR2 offers an interactive and intuitive user experience. This makes it an ideal candidate for environments where seamless human-robot interaction is essential. Another key highlight of the GR2 is its modular design. This design approach not only enhances the robot's functionality, but also ensures ease of maintenance and upgrades. The flexibility of the GR2's components allows it to be customized for specific tasks, catering to the unique needs of various sectors. The introduction of the GR2 underscores Fourier Intelligence Robotics' commitment to pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. By combining state-of-the-art robotics with intelligent systems, the company aims to address real-world challenges and improve the quality of life for people around the globe. As the world moves toward greater automation and AI integration, the GR2 represents a beacon of what is possible. It's not just a machine, but a step forward in the journey toward creating robots that can seamlessly integrate into human society. Fourier Intelligence Robotics GR2 is undoubtedly a glimpse into the future of humanoid robotics.